Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change opacity in Capcut PC. Actually it's very quick and easy. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all you need to open your Capcut application and then choose or create any project you want. After that I will add, for example, two video files. You can add more if you want. So you need to click and press and hold on this video and then drag it right up here to into this timeline. After that you need to click on any video you want. You can actually resize it, move it as you want to. So, and if you want to change opacity, you need to go to the top right corner to this little menu. After that, in the video section, then basic option, you need to go down and then click on this little dot next to the blend heading. And after that you will see two options, mode and opacity. You need to press and hold on this little dot and then move it to the left if you want to decrease opacity, and to the right if you want to increase this option. So I will do it like that. So after that you can click on the default option and then change different options here to make it looking better. So, and that's all, and that's how to change opacity in Capcut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.